Welcome all to eSkill Power August 2020 Business Update Connect. Today we are so excited because of two reasons. Today is a very special day, as you all know, it's Teachers' Day. We want to thank each teacher who has corrected us and helped our career. The second reason is every teacher will be happy by seeing his or her students' achievement. Yes, obviously, the achievements of students will make the teacher more happy. So, as part of today's business update, we are so much happy to share our students' performance with you. So let's get into eSkill Power Business Update for the duration 12th August to 4th September 2020. So let's jump into the topic. So we are going to share our business update on 4 topics. First one, recap. Second, business update. Third, next steps. Then special offers. So let's see recap about eSkill Power. So here we want to share in the month of August what are the steps we have achieved or we have taken as part of eSkill Power. On 12th August we started our business, and on 19th August we shared our mission with all. On 23rd August two things happened. We have released our services or offering. Then we enabled the registration program on 23rd. So these are the quick recap we want to share with you all about eSkill Power. Next, on the business update, so we want to share two things. The first one is we want to talk about the registration, number of registrations. So totally, as of 4th September, 12 students registered with eSkill Power, and they have built 1,000 contacts with eSkill Power. So these are the two business update we like to share with you. And the third one is next steps. So here we are going to talk about the course of action which eSkill Power going to take from today onwards till 4th of October. So we have highlighted the details here. The first one, that is from today, 5th September, we are going to start the eSkill Power Introduction Connects. So basically there will be two connects will happen. One for registered students will have a separate connect, and for non-registered students we want to share the high level about eSkill Power details with you all. So that is what the second connect will happen. And the next thing is on 12th September we are launching our eSkill Power business model phase 1 course. So from 12th September onwards, the registered students can purchase eSkill Power business model phase 1 course with us. So these are the next step of actions we like to share with you, which is planned one. And apart from this, we are planning so many things. So most probably the next update will give more information, or please do join our Telegram group where we'll keep posting the all important updates. And then please do watch our YouTube channel regularly so that you will get a lot of updates. And then we are also coming up with Facebook also, Facebook separate group, and then we want to share about eSkill Power through Facebook also. So these are the course of actions we are planning in this month. And next is a special offer. So as you all know, when you join a Telegram group, already the links are available to avail the special registration fee, which is rupees 999. Again, I'm saying which is rupees 99, and this offer is extended till 30th of September 2020, and after that we are going to close that and we are going to sunset forever. Okay, we will not enable it again. And effective October onwards, the standard registration fees will be applicable, which is rupees 299, and that will be available from 1st October to all. And parallelly, we are also working to get the international payments enabled. Most probably in couple of days it should be enabled. So once that is updated or up and running or active, then we'll start sharing the international payment links also, so that it enable the international students also to join eSkill Power. So these about special offer announcements, and we want to thank each and everyone for your continuous support and encouragement. We have been getting a lot of feedbacks through social network like WhatsApp, YouTube, and phone calls. So all those encouragement helping us to push ourselves to the next step, and then to achieve the milestones which we have planned. So I want to thank each and everyone for all your continuous support and encouragement. Please do continue, and then share all your feedbacks in YouTube or in the WhatsApp or in the Telegram, or through contact at eSkill Power, because we value add all your feedbacks, and then we improve our services accordingly. So please do share all your feedbacks that enable us to provide the excellent services to all of you. So once again, thank you very much. And the next update we will be sharing on 5th October about eSkill Power. So what we have planned is every month once we will share the a business update with everybody. So we will be sharing like on these 4 lines. So every month, 5th October or 5th of every month, you can ensure that like we will ensure that you will get a business update from eSkill Power. So thank you very much for all your support and encouragements. So please continue, and so let's all believe self, and then help others also, and we extend our belief to them also, and then we grow together. So let's upskill, transform, and then earn unlimited money. Thank you so much. Bye for today.